We'll guide you through how to make font bold in Notepad++. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Locate the Notepad++ shortcut icon on your desktop by looking through the available icons until you find the correct application. Double-click the shortcut to launch Notepad++ and allow the program to start normally without pressing any additional buttons. Wait for the application to finish loading completely so every menu and editing feature is available before you continue. Move your cursor to the top menu bar where the program settings and customization options are located. Click on Settings to open the list of available configuration options. Select Style Configurator from the drop-down menu to access the appearance settings used by the editor. Wait for the Style Configurator window to appear completely before making any changes. Under the Language section, make sure Global Styles is selected so the changes affect the editor's default appearance. In the Style list, click on Default Style to display the settings associated with the standard text style. Look for the font style options in the middle section of the window where you can customize the appearance of text. Click the bold checkbox to enable bold formatting for the selected style. If desired, adjust the font name or font size as well to match your preferred appearance while keeping the bold option enabled. Click Save and Close to apply the changes and exit the configuration window. Return to the editor window after the settings have been saved successfully. Type a text, for example, how to make font bold in Notepad++ to see if the bold font have worked and compare it with the previous appearance. Confirm that all text in the editor is now displayed using the bold font style and ready to be used whenever you want.